What's going on, guys? I'm making this little video for your GE refrigerator water filter replacement. If you've recently purchased a water filter from a third-party vendor that's not GE or not a GE authorized vendor, and your water filter doesn't work, or you're getting an error code on the display when you try to dispense water and the ice maker is not producing ice, this is probably going to be your problem, and I would look into this if I were you. These new water filters have what is called an RFID, which you can kind of see right in here. It's an RFID in the filter that communicates with the refrigerator, and GE made this to combat filters like this, which are knockoff aftermarket filters that are not authentic. So only GE activates the RFID, and it's placed here. So that way you can't buy knockoff filters that can later damage your filter housing and cause leaks. This is a bypass that you can purchase if you have an inline water filter in the back or reverse osmosis hooked up to your fridge, and this also has an RFID that talks to your fridge and tells it, hey, I am an authentic GE filter or filter housing. You can go ahead and run water. Again, make sure you're buying authentic products directly from the manufacturer or a manufacturer approved vendor. Okay, cool. This is the XWFE for the GE refrigerators. Like, comment, and subscribe.